Okay, so today I'm aiming to solve the problem same tree as discussed in the last stream. So let's see. I haven't seen any hints, so no cheating. Let's see. Problem is, first let's see if the stream is on. Hmm. Yeah, the stream is on. So okay. So the problem is that they are asking us to solve for the roots of two binary trees P and Q. Write a function check if they're the same root or not. So I thought of doing a BFS and checking, but they want us to do recursion at least in Striver section. So BFS is easy. We can just do a BFS traversal and probably the same order, but I want to see if we can do the same thing in the form of recursion. I was thinking, how do we call a recursion? How do we see? So it says not. We have to see a lot of conditions. Suppose it can go left and it can't go left and all. So let's see. Hmm. Suppose we have a function called solve. Bool possible and return possible. Let's see. And the function is pq and void solve tree node. For now we're just creating the structure of the problem and a tree node star q. Okay, now my thing is that suppose if the value from the left is I don't know, or like suppose if we traverse left and we traverse right and the value from there. So solve for p left and q left, and same goes for p right, q right. Okay. No, it's not a void. My bad. Okay. The function will return either a left or a right, right? So from these, suppose it went here and returned something. It went here and it returned something. And the parameters it would mostly return as the bool parameters. So suppose if we return that, yeah, it's true, it's fine. It returns a false. So what do we need? We need to check if those parameters are correct or not, right? Okay, just give me a second. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So, sorry for the delay. Although no one is watching, but yeah, in case someone watches, I know no one will. Just for myself, in case someone is wondering why I take my time, because I'm not accountable to anyone, right? Okay, enough for that bullshit. Let's see. We go to the left and we go to the right, and that function is left to right. So suppose return left and right. And how do we check? If p is equals to null and q is equals to null, return true. If p is equals to null and q not equals to null, return false. or p not equals to null and q equals to null, return false. If p not equals to, if p dot val is not equals to q dot val, return false, else return true. Let's see. I think there will be a lot of logic issues in mine, obviously. So this one is doing fine. Among this, the issue arises is that it is going left. So this one also went left. Huh. Let me see. Okay. So you would normally be calling the function if p is null. We went to if p is null, no. If q is null, no. Okay. If p dot val, yeah, it is val is correct. So we went to the left of it, and it came left. C out of, you know what, left, left, space, right, right. The function value what it is being returned, right? Once it comes as a false, I don't think can do anything in that. Can we? So there is no printing apparently. It's because it is being false, false for both of it. So this parameter it went and it returns false. I'm wondering what is wrong. Okay. I won't be using hints. Let's see for the third one. Probably this one helps. Okay, there is no printing again. It is because there has been an else there. The else, there's the issue for us. I think it never went to this function. Oh wow. So if you remove an else, does it solve the problem? Huh? That's all? Well, was this an easy problem? Yeah, it was an easy. That's why. How do you think I can solve it? Okay, let's see. Since we have time, I think I have approximately 30 minutes more to spare, so we'll be attempting one more problem. Let's see, the problem is solved, but I won't be seeing the answer. It's a binary tree zigzag level order traversal. So basically, it's in a zigzag order. The zigzag is from left to right. Oh my god, it's actually easy. I know how to solve this one. So this, I think the stream is going to be a very small stream again. My bad, really. It is going to be like 8 minutes and one problem already in. I'm really sorry for that. So we need a queue. We need wait. We need a queue of tree nodes. Right? We need a queue of tree nodes, right, guys? We'll be pushing root here. And while queue is not empty, as we have learned that there is a function called dot empty and not is empty from our last stream. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the size of the value, and that is the value, and we'll be running a loop till the size. And now what we're gonna do is for every iteration we are getting the tree node star temp is equals to q dot push, and we'll be adding it to the answer of temp, and if temp dot left, then q dot push temp dot left. Wait, it has q dot front, and we need q dot pop here to remove after getting the element. Same goes for if temp dot right, then q dot push temp dot right, and we need to push. Oh wait. We can't be. It can't be a temp again. It's a redefining of the values in a different form. So let's make it final. I have a thing of just putting it temp dot val, and let's see. Bool right is equals to true. If it is not right, then reverse temp dot begin temp. Oh, it's not temp. My bad. Final dot begin and final dot and answer dot pushback final return answer. You know what? I just want it to be done in a single line. I don't want to be any errors in this. So I'll be making sure that I check this code very efficiently. So uh, let's see. If root is null, what if the root is null? Okay, see, that's what. If root is null, return the answer. There is no edge case in my assumptions. Let's see if the root is 1, return the 1 if this. Okay. I don't think so I've done any. Oh, see, I would have been stuck in this. Okay, right row, empty, final, size, I plus plus, tree, temp, font, pomp, left push, right push, temp dot value, that gets pushed. Does this get pushed? Yeah, it gets pushed with not right reverse. If the value, the first time will be true. So if the right is true, so it becomes a false. So remove it. But the moment it goes reverse, we reverse it. So I think they should get, please, just one single tick. I don't want it to be any error in there. Let's go. I don't want it to be there any error. Let's okay. One more for the win. I think I'll be stopping this for today. We are 63% done into it, and I love this concept. I hope there's a lot. There is a lot. I don't know. I'll be learning it slowly. Let's not get worried about it. You have graphs. Okay, DFS, BFS. I'll be learning this also with time. Cheers for now. Let's see. Small stream it is.